There are so many gorgeous things out there, but what do I want? I can't choose out of the things I know about, let alone the things I don't know about. Yes, it is my 2022 luxury wish list today. Ooh, this was hard. I'm trying to keep things realistic. Stick around, I shall explain. Hello, you gorgeous people of the interwebs. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I am Gwenny, and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, then go ahead, get down there, hit subscribe, ring my bell, give the videos you enjoy watching the thumbs up. I forgot to do the, don't think I've done that this year, thumbs up. And yeah, let's get into it. Oh my gosh, I've tried to be really careful, considered, thoughtful about my 2022 luxury wish list, because it would be easy to put everything on there, and I kind of feel like in 2021's wish list, which I revised later on in the year, I kind of felt like I just put everything I like the look of on, and I was never going to be able to buy all of them, so it seemed quite unrealistic, especially as I wasn't working. I'm working again now, so I have got a little bit of money to burn, a little bit of disposable income, and actually the Lion has just yesterday said to me, why haven't you bought anything yet? That's not entirely true, because I've procrastinated over this video so much that I actually received a wishlist item last week. I filmed the unboxing, and that's going to come after this video. That'll be the next video that comes out on my channel, so keep your eyes peeled for that. And in the meantime, when you get to the end of this video, pop in the comment section after you've seen everything that's on my 2022 luxury wish list. Pop in the comment section and leave a comment telling me what you think it is. I will be unboxing. So something, I know at least one thing is going to be ticked off this wish list. So there are things that I know absolutely must have, and there are things that are a little bit less clear. I am also wondering if this might be the year that I get brave and go for some pre-loved items, because a few of the things that I would like to get my hands on I can't buy in boutique anymore. I am wearing my San Diego hoodie, and that is because a big luxury thing on my 2022 luxury wish list is to go on a holiday, hollybobs, vacation, luxury or otherwise, to get the hell out of Dodge and to go and relax on a beach by a pool with a cocktail, something along those lines. So the things that I know that I absolutely do want, and some have appeared on previous wish lists, is I'm going to start off with my my eternity ring that I still don't have. It is a baguette and brilliant cut diamond channel set, half eternity ring. It is absolutely beautiful, and I haven't really stopped thinking about it for the last 2 or 3 years, so that's an absolute definite. And also the little skinny diamond eternity rings, that claw set ones, that again I have been looking at for a few years now. Jewellery, done. Tick, we have discussed that. Another thing that is an absolute must-have is the Louis Vuitton agenda in the large size. I love my medium agenda, and my other agenda desk cover, but those two things have proven to me that I need the bigger size agenda, and I know Amelia Rose knows exactly what I'm talking about, as she is something of a fan herself. It is so stupidly difficult to get your hands on from the boutique. It did pop up a few weeks ago, and I don't know why. Probably because it is expensive. It's £550 in the UK. When it popped up, even though I had the money to buy it, and I had been keeping an eye on the website, when it popped up, I thought, do you know what, I'm going to think about it for an hour. maybe I hadn't had enough coffee, I don't know what the deal was. Of course I came back to it thinking, duh, what are you doing? Just go and buy it, and it was out of stock again. Another luxury item that is on my wish list, perpetually on my wish list, and I'm unable to pin down, is the perfect pair of luxury sunglasses. And I did say that my Valentinos last year were on my wish list. I ticked them off my wish list, but they also found their way onto my 5 best and 5 worst luxury purchases of 2021, and they weren't in the best purchases section. So I am still on the lookout for the perfect pair of sunglasses. I'll still keep going back to look at the round Chanels. I love the style of them, I'm just not sure if they're the perfect pair for me, and I want to try and get it right this time. If you have any tips, pop them in the comment section down below and I will go and check those out. Right, I think that is it for the non-handbaggy related things. Oh, shoes, actually shoes. I checked on the Fendi website for those trainers, those customisable trainers where I was going to have Gwenny put on the back of them. They're no longer there. So I thought that was going to be like core collection product, but it was there for a while and then it went. So, and my Versace dressing gown still on the wish list. Still can't decide whether to go for pink or black. Still not entirely sure if I'm going to go full boxer and have my name stickered with those embroidery patches on the back of it, but that is still up there. Now that brings us to the handbag and SLG type stuff, the Louis Vuitton Precious Tiger bag charm. I still look at it and I think, oh my god, he is so gorgeous, but I still look at the price tag and I think, oh my god, that is ridiculous for a bag charm. Speaking of Louis Vuitton, I would like another brown monogram and black trim bag to replace my Neo Noe, but something a bit smaller, and I keep looking at the same ones. I keep looking at the Palm Springs Mini, the Blanche, or, and this might be a slight influence from Adele, of Dale's Addiction, because she fairly recently got the soft trunk clutch, and that's got a little bit of the reverse monogram on it as well, and I've looked at that on and off over the last few years, so I don't yet know exactly what it's going to be, but it is going to be brown classic monogram but with the black trim. I've said it before and I'll say it again, Miss Prada has done something to me with the top handle and I am completely digging top handle bags right now. I've got my eye on this gorgeous Gucci mini Ophidia bag. It has got that kind of moon shape, which appears to be a very popular shape at the moment. Louis Vuitton's got its loop version, Dior's brought out something quite similar, and it is just really cute. I really like the look of it. It's got a little bit of the Gucci GG Supreme. It has got the webbing, but the webbing is on the bottom of the bag, and because I've gone for the white leather version, make it a little bit more spring summery, the webbing is blue and red, which is way better for me than the green and red webbing. I don't like the green and red together. I don't know why, I just don't like it. But the blue and red looks really fabulous, and I love the way that it's just on the bottom of the bag, so it's a little bit, oh, you turn, oh, cheeky. I haven't seen this one in person, so I know it's small. You can see on the model picture how small a bag it is. That's something new that's been added to my wish list. Something that has been on my wish list for a while now is the Prada Re-Edition 2005 in black with the removable crossbody strap and the little chain strap and everything. Again, that kind of Prada shape, like Miss Prada, where it sits, it comes up a little bit, really kind of that Y2K, revisiting those styles from the late 90s, early 2000s. I love the versatility of this bag because you have the different strap options, and I don't need to go on about it too much because this is another one that is an absolute definite. I've had my eye on it for a while. I've tried it on in store. I know I want this bag. I do still have my eye on the Versace La Medusa top handle bag. Again, another top handle bag, another gorgeous, just saw it in store, tried it on, loved it. What stopped me from buying this one? I think it's colour, because I was umming and ahhing between the pale pink and the lavender. The lavender is definitely a no for me, but the pale pink although it's on that kind of pink spectrum, I think it's too pale for me. I think I need something a bit more punchy, a bit more vibrant. I'm looking for vibrancy, I'm looking for bright colours, I'm looking for, yeah, that's what I'm looking for, vibrancy and bright colours. This Gucci Mini Diana, this comes in some really cute colours, but it's more pastel-y. So while I know that I love the design of that bag, I don't know what colour to go for. I still have a hankering for that pink Terry re-edition 2000. That's one of the reasons why I'm thinking about going pre-loved for something like that. I might end up having to go pre-loved for something else, because another thing that is on my wish list is the Fendi Nano baguette, and I am absolutely kicking myself for not buying the little green nylon with the lavender oversized buckle on it and the grab handle with the crossbody strap that Cassie Thorpe has. Oh my gosh, I fell in love with that as soon as I saw it, and then I ummed and ahed about it and stopped doing that. I should have just bought it. I should have just bought it. And speaking of baguettes, I would really like a Fendi baguette this year. I don't know which one yet though. Which baguette yet? We don't know. Don't think the colour or the design that will be mine has been released yet. But when it does show up, I am going to try my absolute hardest not to procrastinate and just to jump on it. Same goes for the Fendi First. I think I have nailed down the size though in the Fendi First. The Fendi First for me, I would like to go small. The small would work out size-wise better for me. Now, the Fendi First has the option of having a strap attached to it, which makes it a little bit more versatile, but it is a challenger to the OG clutch that I've had my eye on for so long, which is the Bottega Veneta, the pouch. And interestingly, they've come out with a new size as well. It's called the teen pouch. So you had the mini one with the long crossbody strap, or you had the pouch, which is quite big. You tuck it under your arm, and now they've got this teen pouch. Another Bottega Veneta that has been on my wish list for a little while, and another one that I need to see in person, is the mini Jodie. The same with the pouch, and actually the Fendi pieces, it's the colour. I'm waiting for the colour. The last thing, we've made it to the end, and this is something I'm going to try and get my hands on sooner rather than later, is the Bottega Veneta card holder. You know I am a card holder fiend. I really want to try this Bottega Veneta one, not just because it's Bottega Veneta and because I've heard really great things about the leather and everything, but because it has the extra card slot. It's got 3 down each side instead of 2 down each side, and that excites me. It excites me probably more than it ought to. Now, I am loving this colour Parakeet. It's not a colour I think I would have in a whole bag, but in an SLG, inside my bag, bright, cheery. That's it for my wish list. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of my choices. Are you with me in that there are certain styles that you know you love and you know you want to add to your collection, but you're just not sure about the colours that are available at the moment? You're just waiting for that chef's kiss, perfect shade, something like that. Do you think I'm mad for choosing the things that I've chosen? Do you have any suggestions for me? Leave it all in the comment section down below and tell me what's on your 2022 luxury wish list, and are you a procrastinator just like me? Okay, that's it guys. I will see you, yes you, boop, for the next video. But until then, dream happy dreams of luxury things and gorgeous handbags and squishy beautiful leather. I'm getting very distracted now. Stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay Fandabbydozy, and bye-bye!